Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces or download additional watch faces on this watch. So before we start, if you want to install or download additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the MIBRO Health, or not MIBRO Health, MIBRO Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the MIBRO Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we can tap on the device icon right here. And here on this page, you should see your Lite 3 Pro. Now tap on the customization icon, this one, the one with the star. And here we have the watch dial shop. Tap on it and it will open the dial store basically, and you can scroll through the different categories, look for something you like, open the category, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find the one you are interested in, you can tap on it and then tap on installation. It will start installing, downloading, and after it's done, it will be applied on your watch. Like this. And you can download multiple watch faces if you want to. And once you're done installing them and you want to check what watch faces are installed on your watch, you can tap on Me. And here you have download history basically. You can also tap on My Collection. And here you have like different watch faces that are like favorite. You can favorite the watch face. And once you favorite it, it will be here in the My Collection. So if you want to reinstall them quickly, you don't need to browse through the store. You can just go to your collection and the watch face will be here. Okay, and that's how you download and install the additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.